Welcome to today's edition. In this edition, I'll be telling you guys about the latest mining app that is currently trending everywhere online. Okay, so this app is actually called Eyes. Okay, and the token there is Eyes. Eyes is the newest decentralized digital currency which you can mine using your phone or any other devices that you can access the app through. Okay, so the first thing you need to do to know about this coin is that they are launching on the 4th of April 2023. Okay, so you literally has just 8 days to mine this coin before the launch. So without wasting much time, you all know how I do it. I don't talk much on my video and I make quality contents that will likely pay you off. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is just to go to your Play Store, then you come to the search bar and type in eyes colon decentralized future. Okay, then you go ahead and send it. So this is the app we are looking for. Okay, so you just go ahead and download this app and you are good to go. Okay, so I will then click on the app and I will install it. So if you are using Apple Store, you can get this on the Apple Store. If you are using Android, then you can actually get it on Play Store. So we are done installing the app. We will just go ahead and click open once it's done installing. So this is one of the interface. You can either sign in or log in with email or phone number, but for the sake of this video I will be logging in with my phone number. Okay, so here we are, no phone number. Okay, so I'm gonna have to input my phone number so that they will send me a code to my phone number which I will use to verify. Okay, first of all, it will verify if you are a bot or not, but don't worry because this happens automatically. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna wait for the code to arrive on my phone. Okay, all right, so I've just gotten the code on my phone. They have sent it, so I'm gonna have to input it right now. Okay, so I will input the codes that they just sent to me and I will proceed immediately. Okay, so this is the next interface. When you get yourself here, what you need to do is just to keep on clicking next until you get to the last page. Okay, so I will click next, 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 and next. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to select my I'm gonna have to select my own nickname. This nickname is what you are going to use as your passcode or referral code. Hope you understand. So when you are done, now you're gonna have to input the nickname of the person that referred you. That means you are going to use my own nickname to get access into this. Okay, so here we are. You can see that the interface has successfully shown up and I will just click complete, then it will take me to the real interface of the app. Now let me show you the next thing you need to do right now. Click on this center icon and it will ask you to pre-stake. So you just have to check that box and then click continue or just click agree. So it will ask you to pre-stake, but over here this is where you boost your earning rate. Okay, so if you choose a longer term or longer allocation, it will increase your earning rate, but if you choose a smaller one, it will decrease it. But I will advise you choose the smallest so that you'll be able to get what you are looking for instantly. So we choose one and we choose 1% over here. So we then go ahead and check that box and click on pre-stake now. Okay, so